Understanding DCAA and FAR compliance. Key aspects for government contractors. Government contractors must align their accounting practices with specific regulations to remain eligible for federal contracts. This alignment primarily involves compliance with the Defense Contract Audit Agency, DCAA policies, and federal acquisition regulations, both of which set high standards to ensure transparency, accountability, and proper use of government funds. What is DCAA compliance? DCAA compliance ensures that contractors have systems and processes to properly track and allocate costs related to government contracts. The goal is to guarantee that only allowable expenses are billed to the government and that contractors maintain accountability through audits. DCAA audits range from pre-award audits to progress billing audits and annual incurred cost submissions, ensuring ongoing adherence to regulations throughout the contract lifecycle. The role of FAR compliance. The FAR governs all aspects of federal procurement and mandates how contractors report costs, manage timekeeping, and segregate direct and indirect expenses. FAR. Part 31, for example, outlines specific cost principles that define which expenses are allowable and unallowable. Compliance with FAR ensures contractors meet both accounting and reporting requirements, avoiding penalties or contract termination. Key components of DCAA and FAR compliance cost. Segregation and allocation. DCAA compliance systems must accurately distinguish between direct, indirect, and unallowable costs. Direct costs are tied directly to a specific contract, such as labor or materials, while indirect costs, like utilities, must be allocated across various projects. FAR mandates that unallowable costs, for example, entertainment expenses, be excluded from government invoices to avoid billing discrepancies. Timekeeping and labor distribution. Timekeeping is crucial for DCAA compliance. Employees must record time daily, with supervisors approving timesheets to ensure transparency. Errors in timekeeping are among the most common causes of audit failures. The labor distribution system should allocate both direct and indirect labor costs to appropriate contracts or tasks, supporting compliance with FAR guidelines. Accounting system requirements. Contractors must maintain a compliant accounting system capable of tracking costs by contract, reconciling the general ledger monthly, providing reports on incurred costs, segregating unallowable costs in dedicated accounts. A functional and compliant system, such as QuickBooks Enterprise with customized modules, helps contractors meet these requirements while facilitating efficient audits. Indirect cost rate management. Managing indirect cost rates is critical, as these costs must be allocated accurately across contracts. DCAA audits focus heavily on indirect rate calculations to ensure they reflect actual expenses. Annual incurred cost submissions provide the final opportunity to reconcile any over- or underbilled costs, preventing future financial disputes. Benefits of compliance. Complying with DCAA and FAR standards offers contractors several advantages: increased credibility and trust with government agencies, leading to more contract opportunities; reduced audit risks and fewer disputes, helping contractors avoid penalties and maintain positive relationships with federal agencies; improved financial management through detailed cost tracking, enabling better decision-making and performance evaluation across contracts. By adhering to these standards, contractors not only safeguard their business operations, but also position themselves for long-term success within the federal contracting space. Conclusion: a strategic investment in compliance. Achieving and maintaining DCAA and FAR compliance involves setting up a robust accounting infrastructure and regularly auditing internal processes. Partnering with experts who understand these complexities, such as accounting firms specializing in government contracts, can help contractors streamline their operations and reduce risks. Tools like QuickBooks Enterprise can also simplify compliance, offering contractors a reliable platform for managing timekeeping, job costing, and reporting requirements. By prioritizing compliance, contractors gain more than just regulatory approval. They build a sustainable foundation for growth, financial stability, and continued success in federal contracting. The benefits of partnering with us. By working with our firm, you not only gain compliance but also unlock opportunities for growth and sustainability in the federal marketplace. Here's what you can expect: increased contract opportunities. Compliance enhances your reputation and credibility, making your business more competitive for future government contracts. Reduced audit risks. With a compliance system in place, audits become routine rather than a source of stress, reducing the likelihood of financial penalties or project delays. Improved financial control. Detailed cost tracking allows you to monitor performance on a project-by-project basis, ensuring profitability and better decision-making throughout your contracts. A proven approach to compliance. Navigating government contracts requires more than accounting expertise. It demands a partner who understands the intricacies of DCAA and FR. At Financial Advisory Systems, we provide personalized consultation to address your specific compliance challenges, hands-on support during audits, including preparing required documentation, training for your team to ensure smooth operations and ongoing compliance. Ready to secure your success? Compliance with DCAA and FAR regulations is not just about meeting standards, it's about building a foundation for sustainable growth. Our expert team is here to streamline your accounting, reduce risks, and empower your business to thrive in the competitive federal marketplace. Contact us today at 703-330-6544 to learn more about how we can support your compliance journey and explore new opportunities for your business with confidence and ease. Let's take the next step toward your success together.